guys, Jules Kane here. I'm back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through Are We Really Doing Your Will by the Winans. This song is written in the key of C. Okay, let's start off. The intro starts off So, it's a very simple chord progression. You're just going from an F major 7 to E minor 7, D minor 7 to C major 7. So it's the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1, then a 7, then a 3, to a 6, to a 2, stay on the 2, to the 5, to the 1. And on the intro you hear this really cool guitar lick with the melody, just playing the chords and the bass. But you can play it simply. Okay, and that was the intro. Then when the first verses start, you're going to go to this A minor 9. We find everything we put our hands to do. You know the devil comes. That's why, Lord, we're consulting you. Should this work be done? Oh, are we really doing your will? We've come over a lot of mountains and all we see for miles are hills. Then we get discouraged, but that's just the way we feel. We want to know, are we doing your will? If not, we'll just keep still. Pardon me, I lost my voice here, a little sick. But you're going to start off on this A minor 9 or A minor 7. We find everything we put our hands to a D minor 7 to do. G minor, C9, devil comes to C major 9. So A minor, that's why, Lord, we're consulting you. D minor 7. Should this work be done? G minor 7 and C. B flat over D, C over E. Are we? Then the regular 4, 3, 2, 1. So are we really doing your will? And I like to play these major 9 and major 7 voicings. Come over a lot of mountains and all we see for miles are hills. I admit we get discouraged, but that's just the way we feel. We want to know, are we doing? So I like to throw that sharp 9, sharp 5 voicing in there. Your will. And that's almost the whole song. Are we really doing your will? Come over a lot of mountains and all we see for miles are hills. Passing chord, I admit we get discouraged, but that's just the way we feel. We want to know, are we doing your will? If not, we'll just keep still. And then you really just repeat the same sections you've gone over. Find everything we put our hands to do. You know the devil always comes, but that ain't new. So you're gonna do this. F, G, A. That's why, Lord, we're consulting you. Should this work be done? Oh, are we really doing your will? We come over a lot. Da-da-da. Are we doing your will? If not, we'll just keep still. Okay, and that was Are We Really Doing Your Will by the Winans. Thank you guys so much, and I'll be back with some more. Take care.